This YouTube Shorts video got over 1.2 million views. If your YouTube Shorts are not getting views, then follow this step-by-step guide. I will show what I did to get more views with YouTube Shorts so that you can apply this to your YouTube Shorts. If you do all the steps, you will be able to get more views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. There are things you need to do, even before you start creating the YouTube Shorts video, while you create the video, during upload, and finally after you upload the video. I will simplify this YouTube Shorts strategy, step by step, so that anyone can understand. Follow these exact steps, so you can also get more views on your next YouTube Shorts video. Let's look at what you need to do even before you start creating a YouTube Shorts video. First step is to find a trending topic around the niche you are interested in. The easiest is to go to YouTube and type Shorts along with your niche. Then you will see various YouTube Shorts. This takes a bit of time, so I use this online tool. It is a keyword research tool that also shows the trends graph for a given topic. I will leave a link to this in the video description if you want to check it out. Even if you have $1 million video idea, you will not get million views on YouTube Shorts if you don't follow this when creating the video. There is one thing that is common in YouTube Shorts that gets over 1 million views. That's having an audience retention of over 80%. Audience retention is the average percentage of a YouTube video that people watch. A high audience retention means that people continue to watch your video till the end. That's what YouTube wants. Check your YouTube analytics in the previous YouTube Shorts videos you created. If the audience retention is low, don't worry. When I started, I also had low audience retention, but everything changed once I applied these tricks. Do you want to know what I did? Can you please give this video a like, and I will show 4 tricks with examples. The first trick is to make a fast-paced video. Here is an example of a YouTube Shorts video which got over 31 million views. You will notice that it gets into the video within 1 to 3 seconds and keeps changing scenes frequently. This makes the viewer engaged and wanting to know what is going to happen next. The next tip is to add text. It increases the interest and keeps the viewer wanting to read what's going on. The next one will make a huge difference to increase your audience retention so you can get more views with YouTube Shorts. See what I did? That's called pattern interrupts. A pattern interruption is any visual change that sparks and refocuses a viewer's attention. The main purpose of adding these is to bring the viewer's attention back to you and the content in your videos. So you can add various transitions, zoom in, zoom out effects, or basically change the current flow of the video. Another important aspect is music and sound effect. I noticed that if you add popular TikTok songs, YouTube trends to pick up these type of videos more. Whatever music you use, make sure to use a copyright-free music if you want to make money with YouTube Shorts. Once you have your video created, there are a few things you need to do when uploading the YouTube Shorts video to get more views. Before the YouTube videos is shown in the Shorts shelf section of YouTube, it will be shown to your audience just like any other YouTube thumbnail. So you need to create a thumbnail that grabs attention. You see the click-through rate of my video thumbnails. Do you want to know my secret on how to get high click-through rates for YouTube videos? I don't have any fancy image editing software. I use this web-based tool, which gives several types of YouTube video thumbnail templates. All you need to do is just select a template, for example like this, and just modify the text and change any related image. I use bold and contrasting colors to make the thumbnail pop up. I will leave a link in the description below, and you can use that to get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So use it, play around with the features, and actually change some of your existing YouTube video thumbnails, and you will see an improvement in your YouTube video click-through rate. Next, you need to add a compelling title. If you are uploading normal YouTube videos, often the suggestion is to go for keyword-optimized titles. But for YouTube Shorts, you need to have a title that gets noticed. Something impulsive and compelling that will make viewers to click and watch the video. Remember to also add the correct hashtag. The hashtag for YouTube Shorts is #shorts. A lot of people make the mistake of putting the wrong hashtag in their content. Adding the YouTube Shorts tags helps the YouTube algorithm recognize that the content is meant to be a YouTube Shorts and not a regular video. After you upload, you might not immediately see your YouTube Shorts video take off. So how long does it take for YouTube Shorts to get views? In my experience, I have noticed that it takes several days for the YouTube Shorts video to be picked up by the YouTube algorithm and go viral. This YouTube Shorts video took over 30 days before it started going viral on YouTube. Be patient and keep creating more YouTube Shorts. If you want to know more ways to get views on YouTube, watch this video next.